Hey, you guys are so awesome for asking questions. I so appreciate that. Well, today's question is, hey, it's camping season. What do you do to make your toilet area not stink? Well, guys, it's really easy. I have three natural ingredients that we mix together, and then you get to send it however you want. And I keep mine in a little jar like this with a scoop in there so that when we go to the bathroom, we can, as needed, put this in and it will clean the toilet bowl, but it will also help keep your black tank. It'll help keep it fresh and help keep it processing so that you don't have the icky stinky mess. Now the great thing is you can scent this any way you want. I like to change mine up so it doesn't always smell the same. Right now this is a citrus minty smell, and oh my goodness, it smells so good. We actually like to use this in the bathroom, and it's good to use sometimes after you have some of those major stink loads. So anyway, if you want the recipe for this, I'm not going to bore you guys, but if you want the recipe with this, just click on the link below and it will send it to you. Thank you. You guys have fun and stay safe while you're camping. Make great memories. I'm Michelle Wynn, educator, life advocate, and practitioner with Standing the Gap, where I am passionate about standing the gap from where you are to where you can and want to be. Be blessed.